Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll take a short look at the new JBL Boombox 3. Enjoy your music with massive JBL Original Pro Sound. The iconic silhouette of the JBL Boombox 3 has a bold new update featuring a sturdy metal handle with silicone grips, twin sidecaps, and waterproof and dustproof signature fabric. It's been redesigned inside too, added with a new subwoofer unleashing much deeper bass and massive JBL Original Pro Sound, all with lower distortion. The new three-way speakers deliver higher sensitivity of our acoustic design sharpens clarity while lowering distortion for monstrous bass and a rich audio spectrum, no matter how high you turn up the volume. Celebrate every moment with the sounds you love. With a 10,000 mAh lithium-ion battery, from your early morning workout to a late-night hang with friends, you can enjoy 24 hours of continuous play. It also features a 6.5-hour to full battery waiting time, letting you charge easily overnight or while you're not using it. The JBL Boombox 3 is IP67 dustproof and waterproof, so you can bring your speaker anywhere, rain or shine. Party Boost allows you to pair two JBL Party Boost compatible speakers together, for stereo sound or link multiple JBL Party Boost compatible speakers together for endless audio possibilities. With the JBL Portable app you can get the most out of your JBL Boombox 3. Customize settings, unlock features, and get real-time updates so you can always listen to your favorite, your way. JBL app allows you to connect to other devices to amplify your sound, in addition to tuning EQ parameters. JBL is committed to more sustainable, earth-friendly packaging. That's why the Boombox 3 comes in a recyclable paper-based box, including the inner tray, with an exterior printed with soy ink. In the box you will find, one JBL Boombox 3 AC power cord, one quick start guide, one safety sheet and one warranty card. For detailed informations and up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in video description. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon.